Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 10.9 feet by early tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow morning. Impact at 11.0 feet. At this level, considerable damage is reported throughout the lower Neshaminy Creek Basin. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for the Delaware Pennsylvania on a frequency of 162. At 5 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, light rain and fog will report.
That warning was from right here. Langhorne Creek.
And the relative humidity 93%. The wind was northeast at 8 miles an hour, gusting to 24 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.67 inches and falling. At the Newcastle County Airport in Wilmington, heavy rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 70 degrees. The